In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve spell check not working in MS Word. So, two solutions you can try. First solution, press Ctrl A, select your content, copy, language and set proofing language. Make sure this setting do not check spelling or grammar is not selected. If it's selected, unselect and select your language. Click on OK. So using this method, you will be able to see the spelling or grammar mistake, this red line. Second method, file, options, proofing. Select these all options, check spelling as you type, mark grammar errors as you type, also check grammar with spelling. So make sure these all boxes are selected and these both boxes hide spelling errors in this document only, hide grammar errors in this document only are not selected. If these are selected, so unselect these both and click on OK. So these are two methods you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.